Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Molim app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Molim is a mobile productivity app designed to help users manage tasks, notes, reminders, and daily planning in a simplified and organized way. It focuses on clean design, easy navigation, and quick task entry to support users who want a lightweight yet efficient planning tool. The app lets you create to-do lists, set reminders, organize tasks into categories, and sync your activities for smooth planning across your devices. The app's main feature is its streamlined task manager. You can quickly add items, set due dates, create reminders, and organize your day without unnecessary complexity. It also supports checklists, note-taking, and categorization so users can keep personal and work tasks organized. Its minimal interface keeps everything distraction-free and easy to use. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, fast loading, and clutter-free interface. The app helps users stay organized with minimal effort, making it suitable for students, professionals, and anyone managing daily tasks. Its focus on ease of use makes it accessible even for people who are new to productivity apps. However, there are some drawbacks. The app may lack deep customization options, advanced automation, or integrations with other productivity platforms. Some users may find its feature set too basic if they need more robust project management capabilities. In addition, certain syncing features may require stable internet connectivity. In summary, the Molim app may be worth using if you want a simple, clean, and easy-to-use tool for managing daily tasks, reminders, and notes. However, if you need advanced planning, complex integrations, or detailed project tracking, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.